So today I'm going to take you step by step on opening up a Varo bank account. Now we're going to be here on the app so you can follow along in real time. And what we're going to do is be here on the app store so you can go ahead and see us from the very beginning on this process. Now I will have a link for you in the show notes down below. If you want to go ahead and get that started, it'll take you to a page just like this so you can go ahead and get started on your account. Now we're going to click on open here since we already had it start downloading. And you're going to see here, it's going to take us to the main page for Varo. And you have the option for either logging in if you have an account. But today we're going to be doing the sign up. So we're going to click on that very bottom of the page. Now, right over here, it's going to quickly ask you for some pieces of information, such as your email address, your mobile phone number, and then creating a password. And you're going to see right over here, you're going to go ahead and agree to Varo sending you text messages. And we're going to click on let's go. So we're going to fill this out and move on. All right, once we went ahead and put in all that information, it's going to give us a code to be able to confirm our phone number through text message. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Now this next page right over here, it's going to ask us to confirm the email address. So we just want to hop into our email and go ahead and confirm from there. And it should take us right back to this page. All right. So after verifying our phone number and our email address, it's going to go ahead and ask us for our first and last name, occupation, and country of citizenship. So from there, we're going to go ahead and click on next. All right. So this next step right over here, it's going to ask us for our address. And this is to be able to mail out a card. So make sure we plug in this information correctly, and we'll move on to the next page. So next up here, it is going to need to verify our identity, and it will ask for our social security number, as you can see, but it is required by law to be able to collect this for opening up an account. Now you can see right over here, it says security in mind, only for what we need, and no credit score is impacted by this. So something to keep in mind. We'll click on next here, and then this is where it's going to ask us for our social security number and our date of birth. So from right over here, we can go ahead and also add in a Varo savings account on top of our checking account. If we don't want to do that, we can click on next, or we can check that little box to go ahead and open one as well. So this next step right over here, you can see it says review and apply. So it's going to have all the agreements right over here. If you click on the little review button towards the bottom, it'll take you right over here. You can check mark those if you agree and click apply. So from here, you can see it says, congratulations, you have been approved. We'll be getting our debit card in 1 to 2 weeks. We can go ahead and click on next. And once we clicked on next, you can see here, it takes us to the homepage of Varo and you are ready to go. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I will have a link for you in the show notes down below. And you can see right over here, sometimes they do have a nice sign up bonus. So make sure when you click that link that you follow the steps to be able to earn that nice little bonus and help out support the channel so you get more free content just like this. Now, next up, I'm going to have a video right over here on screen for you so you can keep on learning and growing with your money. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.